I have a John Deere Z425 eztrak. It blows the 7.5 amp/F3 fuse when trying to start. It does not crank, just blows the fuse while attempting to start. I have replaced the PTO switch, PTO clutch, and the ignition switch. I am a mechanic and understand how shorts work. I have inspected L wiring harness to the point where there isn't any conduent covering any of the wires. So it's not a short to ground. I went to my local John Deere dealer and they were not much help. As far as I asked to see if they had an electrical schematic and was told no. So obviously I do not have enough info to diag properly. If anyone can help, I would greatly appreciate it, thank you.
Do you have a multimeter or voltage tester? What colors are the wires?
I do have a multimeter. Wiring color to which component?
What have you tried so far with your John Deere wiring?
Inspeed wiring from the fuse box to the ignition switch, PTO clutch and switch.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The PTO clutch, switch and ignition switch have been replaced. All strike John Deere parts. But what I do not know is what else the PTO fuse/F3 goes to.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is Will be happy to assist you. The phone call is only optional and is not needed for this discussion. I would like for you to try something for me. This is a process of elimination. Let's disconnect the wiring connector from the fuel shutoff solenoid on your carburetor and disconnect the wiring connector from your rectifier regulator. Afterward, turn your ignition switch key to start position to see if your fuse still blows. We can continue from here. Thanks again.
Thanks, try this evening when I get off work. I should disconnect these one at a time, correct?
Yes, you are correct. Thanks for your response.
Okay, so I unplugged the rectifier and the fuel shutoff solenoid. Fuse still blew. Disconnected the starter as well, still no change. So just for fun I unplugged the hour meter and tie fuse did not blow, but it still did not crank. So is it possible that the hour meter runs off the same circuit? If the meter is unplugged, will this cause it not to crank as well?
Thank you for checking in for the update. Your circuit likely go through your hour meter. I would like to confirm something. Is your fuse blowing in on position or in start position?
It is blowing in the start position.
Is your engine a Briggs & Stratton engine? Thank you for confirming. As a part of our process of elimination, there is another checkpoint I don't think we have covered. On your starter solenoid, there are two large red cables, and either one or two small wires. If you have two wires, one is a ground wire and the other one should have 12 volts when your ignition switch is in start position. Remove the small wires from your starter solenoid, then observe to see if your fuse still blows in start position.
Okay, sounds good. I'll tackle that this evening. Thanks again for all the help.
Very good. You're very welcome. We can continue from here.
On the Briggs it only has one large red wire going to the starter. Disconnected it and fuse blew. So I found the starter relay, which is separate, and it had the two smaller wires going to it as well as one large red wire going to one post and two large red wires going to the other post. I reconnected the hour meter and the one wire to the starter and disconnected all four connections to the solenoid. In the start position, the fuse did not blow with the starter solenoid disconnected. When I said starter relay, I meant solenoid. Sorry. Also, I don't think I mentioned this. When the fuse blew the first time the mower was running. Not sure if that makes a difference to you.
Thanks for your response. Please take it the two drawings I am attaching.
That's it. Only exception is the orange is a white wire.
Thank you for confirming. Have you removed the white wire from your solenoid to see if your fuse still blows?
Am I just to remove the white wire and leave the rest connected? I removed all wires when I tried it this time.
Here is the second drawing. Correct, let rest connected and only remove your white wire.
Okay, be right back.
Thanks.
White wire disconnected, fuse is good in start position.
Awesome. Your results tells me that your solenoid is at fault. A new solenoid should resolve our problem.
I'll pick one up today. Thank you, been amazing help through this.
Very good. I look forward to knowing your results.
That was it. I can't thank you enough getting me through this.
Very good. Thanks for the update. You are very welcome. I am glad this worked out for you. It has been a pleasure working with you. I do hope all continues to go well for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.